if f maps from r minus plus or minus 1 to r is defined by f of x is equals to log mod 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, then show that f of 2x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square is equals to 2 into f of x. So what is given here? So f of x is given, f of x function is given. Okay, so here then first I am writing the given function. So given function f of x is equals to log mod 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. I am taking the LHS now. LHS is equals to f of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is equals to, in place of x here. Okay, so here when we compare the f of x function, in place of x we have 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So in the function also, in place of x, just replace 2x divided by 1 plus x square in place of x. In place of x. So that means here I am writing this as log mod 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Okay, whatever we have in place of x. Okay, so whatever we have in place of x, just write that 2x divided by 1 plus x square. I am going to write in place of x. Here also 2x divided by 1 plus x square. I am writing in place of x. Okay, that means it is 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Now this is equals to log mod, take LCM here. If we take LCM, LCM is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 is 1 plus x square. So we get 1 plus x square and plus 2x whole divided by. So here also, okay, LCM is 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 plus x square, 1 is 1 plus x square and minus 2x. Minus 2x. Here, we can cancel the denominators. 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square gets cancelled. Okay, if we cancel the 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square, so we get here, okay, this is equals to, okay, so log mod, okay, so 1 plus x square plus 2x. Okay, we can write it as 1 square and okay, so I am writing this as, okay, so 1 we can write as 1 square, right? I am writing 1 as 1 square. Can we write? Yes. Okay, and 2x I am writing as 2 into x into 1, 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab form. Here also 1 I am writing as 1 square and 2 into x into 1 or 2 into 1 into x. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so that means a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula we can apply here. Okay, so that means 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole square and divided by, we can write this as 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square. Okay, so what formula we used here? Okay, we used a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula. What formula we use? A plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square, and we also used a minus b whole square. Okay, so that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Okay, so now this is equals to, okay, so in this is equals to log mod, okay, 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. I am writing this whole square. Okay, common whole square. For numerator and denominator we have square separately. I am writing that square. Okay, so combine square I am writing here. Okay, so that means according to logarithm formula, so we have the formula log x to the power n is equals to n into log x is the formula. N into log x is the formula here. Okay, so I am going to apply this formula now. Okay, so if we apply this formula, apply this formula. Okay, so the power becomes coefficient here. Okay, so then 2 into log mod 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Okay, now this is equals to 2 into log mod 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. That is f of x. 2 into f of x. 2 into f of x. Okay, so 2 into f of x is the required RHS only. Is it the required answer? Yes. Okay, this is only the required RHS. Therefore, okay, so what we have to prove? We have to prove f of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is equals to 2 into f of x only. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, understood? Understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here if a is equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and f from math from a to b is a surjection defined by f of x is equals to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. This is very, very important and compulsory question. Every year repeatedly we get this question. Okay, recently in October 2021 exams also. Okay, so we got this question, and this is the first question. Okay, so here the first whatever it is given, so I am writing the given. Okay, so what is given ma here? Given a is equal
A
to,
is equal to
yes,
-2, -1, 0, 1, 2.
yes, very good. Okay, this is a given. Okay, and it is also given as f of f mass from a to b is a surjection, right? Okay, what is given? F mass from a to b
A to B.
is a surjection. Is a surjection.
Surjection.
So surjection means range is equals to codomain. Range is equals to codomain. Okay, so this is the formula for
Surjection.
yes. Okay, so that means or otherwise we can write it as f of a is equals to b, or b is equals to f of a. B is equals to f of a. Now what is f of x function? Okay, so function is also given. F of x is equals to, that is x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so now we have to find one value. Okay, so that means I am substituting -2 in this function. In place of x, I am substituting -2. So here -2 whole square
-2 whole
x
square
means
plus
yes,
-2 plus 1.
Yes. What is -2 whole square? 4.
4.
And -2 plus 1, that is -1. What is 4 minus 1?
3.
3. Very good. Now similarly substitute -1.
-1.
Okay. So if you substitute -1 in the function,
-1 whole square.
very good. Next,
-1
yes,
plus 1.
yes. Okay, here we can cancel the -1 and plus 1. If we cancel the -1 and plus 1, okay, so what is remaining here now? -1 whole square. What is -1 whole square?
-1.
Yes. Okay. Is it -1 or plus 1? -1 whole square is minus into minus
Plus
equals
1.
plus 1. Okay, now I am substituting 0. F of 0.
0.
Okay, if you substitute 0 in place of x, yes, tell me. 0 square.
0 square plus 0 plus 1.
Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 1. 0 square is also
1.
0 only. Okay,
0.
that means 1 here. And now after that we have to find the image of
1.
Means substituting 1. If we substitute 1, what we get ma? In this function only.
1 square.
Yes.
1 square minus plus 1 plus 1.
Okay, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is
3.
Okay, now I am substituting 2 here. Okay, if you substitute
2 square,
then 2 square
plus 1 plus 1.
2 square plus x. X means 2. Okay,
2.
And this plus
2
1 is active. So only in place of x we are substituting the value x. Okay, that is 2. 2 square plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7.
7.
Okay, so here what is the range here? What is range? Okay, so here range is equals to mapped elements. Okay, range is equals to f of a is equals to here 3 1 1 3 7. Even though the elements we are getting repeatedly, we have to write it only once. Okay, that means Okay, so 1
1,
and
3,
3
7.
and 7. These are the elements in the range. These are the elements in the
Elements in the range.
Yes. Okay, so now here, after this, okay, so here, what is given here? So given that f is a surjection, okay, so given that
First the subject.
F maps from A to B
A to
is
B.
a surjection.
Surjection.
Is a surjection. If it is a surjection, then range is equals to codomain or f of A is equals to B. Okay, so then therefore B is equals to f of A, range is equals to codomain, that is equals to, already we know the f of A value. Okay, that is 1 and 3 and 7. What is the question here? He is asking the value of B. Okay,
Fine.
so the value of B is 137. Okay, so this is the required solution. Okay, briefly I'll give, okay, so Venn diagram, okay, also, so that you can understand well. Okay, so this is extra, not compulsory. Okay, so Venn diagram is not compulsory, ma. Okay, so what are the elements here? So I am writing the elements here. Okay, so the elements are, the given elements are -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so what are the elements in the right side? Right side elements are 1, 3, 7.
1, 3,
1,
7.
3, 7. Okay.
7.
Yes. Okay. So now here I am going to map the elements. I am going to map the elements. -2 image is 3. I am mapping with 3. Okay. -1 image and 0 image. What is 0 image? 0 image is 1. I am mapping with 0 and 1. Okay. So and what is 1 image? 1 image is 3. I am mapping with
3.
Okay, so and what is -1 image? -1 image is 1, so I am mapping with 1. Okay, so and 2 image, what is 2 image? 2 image is 7, mapped with 7. Okay, like this. So here surjection means there is no element left in the second set. Okay, so here this is A and this is B, and the function is f. F mapped from A to B. So like this. Okay, so -2 image 3 and -1 image 1 and 0 image also 1, 1 image 3 and 2 image is 7. Okay,
7.
Here since it is a surjection, range is equals to codomain. Range and codomain both are equal. That's why B is equals to f of A. B equal to f of A. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here the question is, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and f maps from A to R is a function defined by f of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, then find the range of f. Find the range of f. So what is given here? We write the given data here. Okay, so given a function A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Yes. Okay. And what is f of x, ma? Given f of x?
X square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1.
Very good. Here he is asking the range of f. Range of f is nothing but he is asking the images, means substitute all the a points in the f function. Okay, so that we get the f value. Okay, those are images. Okay, that means range only. So now I am substituting one by one. Okay, so I am substituting 1, okay, in place of, okay, if you substitute 1 in place of x, okay, 1 square and x means 1 plus 1 is as it is divided by x means 1 and
plus 1.
Yes. Okay, this plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 square is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2.
1 plus 1, 2.
Yes, I am substituting.
F of 2.
Yes, okay, I am substituting 2 in place of x. If you substitute 2 in place of x, then
2 square minus 2.
Yes.
Plus 1
divided by
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1. Okay. What is 2 square?
2 square 4. Minus 2
1.
plus 1.
Minus
1.
Divided by 2
3.
plus 1 is 3. Okay.
3.
So 4 minus
3 by
1
3.
Is, very good.
1.
3 by 3 is 1. Okay. Now substitute 3 in place of
F
x.
by 3.
Okay. Then
3 square minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1.
Very good. Okay, 3 square is 9 minus 3 plus 1
9
is
minus 3 plus 1, 2 by
minus
3 plus 1, 4.
very good. Next, 9 minus 2 is
8 by
9 minus
7 by 4.
very good. This is f of 3 value. Now f of 4. Okay, so substitute 4 in place of x. Okay, so then
4 square minus 4 plus 1
yes,
by 4 plus 1.
very good. Okay, 4 square 16
4
minus
square
4 plus 1 is
16 minus 3 by 5.
yes. 16 minus 3,
16, 13 by 5.
5. Very good. So now what he is asking the range. He is asking the range. Range is nothing but all the mapped elements. Range is nothing but all the mapped elements. Okay, so therefore range is equal to, okay, range is equal to f of a only. What is f of a? All the images, combination of all the images. That means first one is 1 by 2, second one is 1, and the next one is 7 by 4.
7 by 4, 13 by 5.
That's it. Okay, so this is the required solution. Understood? Here in this question, if f of x plus y is equals to f of xy for all x belongs to x comma y belongs to R, then prove that f is a constant function. F is a constant function.
Constant
So what is
function.
given here? What is given, ma? F of
x plus y is equal to f into x plus y.
F of x into y, and okay, so here condition is given as x comma y belongs to
X
R.
comma y belongs to R.
Both are real numbers. We can take any values. Real numbers means we can take any values. Let I am taking x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. If we take x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, then f of 0 plus
0 plus 0 is
okay,
equal to
is equals to f of 0 LHS. Okay, this is LHS. Okay, and check the RHS. RHS is equals to f of 0 into 0. Okay, that is also is 0 only. Okay, that means LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS.
RHS.
Okay, now, okay, so left side and right side, both the functions are equal. Both are equal. Both are equal here. Okay, so that means f of 0 equals to f of 0. Okay, take it as equation number 1. Now I am taking x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0. I am taking x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0. Okay, now we'll check it once. Okay, so now I am taking the LHS here. So LHS equals to f of 1 plus 0.
1 plus 0
f of 1. F of 1. And check the RHS. RHS is f of 1 into 0.
1 into 0.
1 into 0. Okay, 1 into 0 means f of 0.
F of 0.
Okay, here f of 1 equals to f of 0. F of 1 equal to f of 0. Since LHS, RHS already he gave that they are equal. Given that they are equal, that means this, okay, these both are equal means it is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Okay, so now third case. Okay, so we'll take some different values now. Okay, let x is equals to 1 and y also equal to 1. We can take any values here. Okay, since they are real numbers. Okay, now I am substituting f of 1 plus 1 is equals to, so direct I am writing LHS and RHS left side and right side 1 into 1. So that means f of 2 is equals to f of 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, this is equation number 3. Okay, so here once observe the equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Observe, okay, all the equations. Then, okay, from equation f of 0 equal f of 0 equal to f of 1, and this f of 1 is equals to f of 2. Okay, so from equation 1, 2, 3, from equation 1, comma 2 and 3. Okay, from these three equations, f of 0 equal to f of 0 first one, and this f of 0 equals to f of 1 from equation 2, from equation 2 f of 0
Equation
equals to
2.
f of 1, and this f of 1 is equal to f of 2. F of 1 is equals to f of 2 from
F of
equation
2.
3. Okay, so now similarly we can prove all the others also. Okay, so here similarly, okay, so we can prove, so similarly we can prove f of 3 equal to f of 0 and f of 4 equals to f of 0. Okay, so like this, okay, like this, f of n is also equal to f of 0.
F
All
of
these
0.
are equal to f of 0. Okay, whatever the image elements we are taking, the image is same. The image is same. Okay, single image
Same.
we are getting. We are getting the same image for
Same.
all the elements. Same image for all the elements. Okay, so that is nothing but it is a constant function. Therefore, okay, therefore f of 1 equal to
1.
f of 2 equal to
2
f
equal
of
to
3
F
equal
of
to, and so on. Okay, and so on. F of n is equals to f of 0
of
only.
0.
All the elements are, all the images are equal. Okay, therefore hence, okay, so given function is a constant function. Given
Function is
function,
a constant function.
okay, is a constant function. Is a constant
Constant function.
function. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any doubts?